Remove the product and accessories. Product configuration. Before flying, the drone battery needs to be charged. Connect one end of the charging cable to the battery. Connect the other USB plug to the charging device for charging. The blue indicator light flashes to indicate that it is charging. Remote control charging demonstration. Connecting the remote control. Connecting the power supply. Flashing indicator light during charging. Preparation before flight. The default outdoor GPS mode is when turning on. Please operate in an open and unobstructed outdoor environment on the top. Unfold the drone arm. Remove the drone gimbal protective cover. Installing drone batteries. Before starting the drone, it is necessary to confirm that the drone is placed horizontally. Short press and long press the power button to turn on the drone. Waiting for the drone to automatically calibrate the pen tilt. Remove the remote control lever from the back of the remote control. Installing the remote control lever. Long press the power button to turn on the remote control. Wait for the successful frequency synchronization between the aircraft and the remote control before clicking on the app. You can now see the image transmission screen. Long press the calibration button to perform compass horizontal calibration. Calibrate the drone according to the instructions on the remote control. Rotate horizontally clockwise and hear a beep. Then rotate it vertically and clockwise to hear the beeps again. Compass horizontal calibration completed. Short press to calibrate the gyroscope. The drone's lights remain on after flashing. Calibration is complete. After completing the above operations, please wait for the drone GPS to search for stars. The remote control emits a beep twice. Completing the frequency synchronization, we can take off. Click the motor unlock button on the remote control to start the motor. Left remote stick up push takeoff. Push the left joystick upwards, the drone rises vertically. Pull down the left joystick, and the drone will descend vertically. Push the left joystick to the left and rotate the drone to the left. Push the left joystick to the right and rotate the drone to the right. Push the right joystick upwards to move the drone forward. Pull down the right joystick, and the drone will move backwards. Push the right joystick to the left, and the drone will fly to the left. Push the right joystick to the right, and the drone will fly to the right side. Press the speed adjustment button on the remote control. Can adjust 2 levels of drone flight power. A few beeps indicate which gear to switch to. The speeds can be cyclically switched. The dial button on the top right side of the remote control. This controls the camera angle to move up and down. Turn the camera to the right and angle downwards. Turn the camera angle to the left and upward. The left dial button on the top of the remote control controls the point tilt focal length. Scroll to the right to zoom in on the screen. Scroll left to zoom out of the screen. Short press the return button, the drone will return to the takeoff point. Install obstacle avoidance module. Before installation, the drone needs to be shut down first. Installation completed. Open drone. Complete horizontal calibration and gyroscope calibration. Drone automatically activates obstacle avoidance mode. When encountering obstacles ahead, unmanned opportunities automatically stop and display information on the remote control. Drone airdrop mode. Tie the rope to the bottom of the drone and connect the cargo. Click on the advertising function in the app. No one has the opportunity to drop goods to the ground. Indoor mode demonstration. Please switch to indoor mode on the GPS button on the remote control. First, turn on the drone and remote control switch. Long press the GPS button on the remote control to turn off the GPS. After completing the compass horizontal calibration and gyroscope calibration, takeoff can begin. One click unlock drone. Left joystick up push takeoff. Replace the fan blades. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the fan blade screws and remove the fan blade. Pay attention to distinguishing between A and B markings. Install the corresponding fan blades onto it. File transfer demonstration. Android phones, transmitting via Bluetooth. Open the photo album after BLUETOOTH connection is completed. Select video materials to transfer. Click to share. Select Bluetooth. Select the phone you want to transfer again to send. Use your phone to wait for reception to complete. iPhone, it is transmitted through downloading Fast Teeth. Need to install the Quick Teeth app first. Open the Kuai app. Click the transfer button below. Select the group building button. Click below to invite other friends to join. After the QR code pops up, use the mobile version of Kuai app to scan the connection. After the connection is completed, select the video file and check the video to be transmitted. Click the transfer button below to transfer to your phone.